Good evening everyone. This is Vrushali. In our previous session we discussed about normalization concept with example. I have mentioned complete database management system playlist link in below description box. Now in this session we will discuss about the next important topic, that is views. Here we will discuss operations performed on view, types of view with examples, and at the end we will discuss table versus view. So let's start the session. The first thing is what exactly views in DBMS. So view in SQL or DBMS considered as a virtual table. How? See here. In this example, consider that this is a student table. There is student roll number, student name and marks. For that one table, there are total three views. First view for the teacher. Teacher can view complete table like roll number, name and marks. Next, student can view only roll number and name. Marks column hide from the student. And next, office staff. Office staff can view only name of the student. Roll number and marks column hide from the office staff. Right? Means there is only one table and there are total three views of that particular users. So these views are called as virtual table, right? Means you can view the particular table as per the restriction, as per the add authorized person or as per the requirement. So this is called as view. You can perform this operation, create view, update view and delete view on the view. We already discussed physical level, logical level and view level structure in previous session. I have mentioned link of that video in description box. So view means your virtual table and every user is having the different views. Next. The first operation is create view. So you can create view on single table or you can create view on multiple table. So let's take the example. In your database, these two tables have stored. One is student details, another one is student marks. Student details having ID, name and address and student marks having ID, name and marks. Clear? Now you need to create a view on single table. Okay. So first we will see this thing, how to create a view on single table. Now the problem statement is you need to view the table or you need to give the restrictions to the user to see only name and address in this particular table. Okay, not a ID. How? See here. So create view. This is the syntax. Create view, view name. And the view name is details view. This is a view name. You can give any other name. Okay. As select column name. So which column you need to see? Name or address only. From table name. Table name is student details where ID less than equal to 4. So less than equal to 4 means only 1, 2, 3. For this ID, name and address will be shown to the user. See here, after executing this view, you need to select star from details view. Okay. And after executing this instruction, your output is this. Name, address, and their three student name and their address. Right. So this is called as virtual table of the main table. Now you can create a view on multiple table. Suppose you need to create a view on both tables. Okay. How? See here. Create view and your view name is marks view. Okay. As select and here column names. So which columns you need to see or restricted to the users? The first column is name from student details. So student details dot name. Second column student details dot address, that is this address column, and third column is marks from student marks. So student marks dot marks means you can create a view from multiple tables. Now from table name. So there are two table name, student details and student marks, where the condition is student details dot name equal to student marks dot name. So here in this name there are total four name, Rahul, Sara, Rohit and Pat. And in the student marks table there is also same four name, but this name is different only. Okay, means they can show the result of only the same name. Our condition is student details dot name equal to student marks name. So you need to fulfill this condition. Now for displaying the view, you need to perform this query. Select star from view name and your view name is marks view. Okay. So output is name, address, marks. There are total three columns and their result. So in this way, you need to create view on single table as well as multiple table as per your requirement. Now the next operation is update view. So you can update the view column as well. Let's see here. So this view you already created, right? You already created this view previously. Now you need to update view. Update view means, suppose you need to update a particular condition. Like here we will display only name and address. Now you think that you have to display ID, name, address, both three columns, right? So how to update this particular query? So for update purpose, you need to use create or replace these words. Okay. So create or replace view, and your view name is same details view as, select name and address. Here is a name and address. Now you need to update the query. So update query, just add the column name like ID, name and address, and remaining query as it is. So after executing this query, select star from details view. So this particular output will be generated. Means first there is a name and address only, and after updating you add the ID column. Now the output is ID, name and address, right? So for updating purpose we use create or replace this word, right? And remaining syntax as it is. Next. The next thing is delete view. Suppose you need to delete view from the database. So how to delete? See here. So for deleting purpose, you need to use drop keyword. Okay. See here. So this view you already created. Okay. Previously. That is name and address. Now you need to delete those views. How? Directly you can use drop view and view name. So drop view and your view name is details view. Okay. So when you execute this kind of query, your view have deleted, right? So this is called as delete view. So you can create multiple view on single table or multiple table, or you can update the view as per your requirement, or you can delete the view by using drop command. Clear? Next. Now there are different types of views. Okay. The first view is simple view. Simple view means it restricts the user to access only one table. Means you can perform the operations only on one table. So this is called a simple view. The next one is complex view. Complex view means restrict the user to access more than one table. Means the particular user access more than one table by using group by, where or any other function. The next one is horizontal view. So when you perform horizontal view, at that time user can access only selected row of the table. Means some rows have hidden from the user, only selected rows it can be displayed. Vertical view means only selected column will be displayed to the particular user, remaining columns have hide. And metallized view means it create a complete copy of one table. Suppose there is a one table, that is student table, stored in database. So this metallized view create a copy of that table as it is and perform the operations on that copied table. So this is called as metallized view. Next. Now the last concept is view versus table. What exactly difference between that? So basically table means your actual table. This table stored in database. And view means virtual table. Means every users having different view or different display of that particular table. So this is called as virtual table. Right? The next difference is, see here, you can create a table in your database. Means you can perform insert or alter, update, this kind of operations. Means you on the data. Means you can change the data, right? You can create a structure of table. But in view, your table structure already created, right? Means you need to just perform operations on displaying purpose, not on manipulation or not on data purpose, right? Next, table is independent or data object. You can create table independently in database, but view is completely depend on table. You can't change row name or column name in view. View can display the actual table as it is as per the requirement, right? So this is the difference between view and table. Hope so you understood the concept of views. Thank you. Keep learning.